Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters in Islam. Today I will be talking about the fourth pillar of Islam, Sawm, which means fasting. Meaning of Sawm. Sawm or Siyam is an Arabic word which means keeping away from something. In Islam, it means to abstain from eating, drinking, and other things from dawn until sunset, with the intention of getting closer to Allah. The fast of Ramadan was made obligatory on Muslims in the second year of Hijrah. When the month of Ramadan comes, Muslims fasted because of Allah's commands. So whoever of you witnessed the month of Ramadan must fast it. Fasting also makes one realize through one's own experience how it feels to be hungry and thirsty, and thus to gain a true appreciation of the needs of the poor. For whom is the fast obligatory? Fasting in the month of Ramadan is compulsory for every Muslim who has reached physical maturity and is healthy. Fasting is not obligatory for young children. Those who are exempted from fasting altogether. The permanently ill who are not likely to recover from their illnesses. Those people who are too old and feeble to fast at any time of the year, or those in similar situations who find it difficult to fast, no matter the season. Benefits of fasting. The main reason behind fasting is to attain taqwa, or piety. As the Quran says, O you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, that you may become pious. This was said in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 183. Fasting provides protection and strength for both the soul and the body. It is a sure cure for many illnesses and a wonderful tool for strengthening the soul in the love of Allah and His obedience. Fasting also provides an exacting exercise and discipline. Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, fasting is a shield. So when one of you is fasting, he should not use to fool or foolish talk. If someone attacks him or insults him, let him say, I am fasting, I am fasting. The Sunnah, recommended acts of fasting. The first Sunnah that our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ used to do is the pre-dawn meal, which is as-suhoor. As-suhoor is the meal a Muslim takes before dawn with the intention of fasting. The Prophet ﷺ said, eat sahur, for indeed there is a blessing in sahur. Number 2. Delaying the sahur and hastening to break the fast. The Prophet ﷺ said, my followers will remain upon goodness as long as they hasten to break the fast at sunset and delay eating the sahur. Number 3. Breaking the fast with date or water. Allah's Messenger ﷺ used to break his fast with fresh dates before offering the Maghrib prayer. If there were no fresh dates, he would eat dry dates. If there weren't any dates, he would get some sips of water. Number 4. Invoking Allah upon breaking the fast. The Prophet ﷺ said, 3 supplications are accepted. The supplication of the fasting person, that of the oppressed, and that of the traveler. Things that break the fast. The following are some of the things that spoil the fast. Anyone who does any one of them is required to make up for the fast. Intentional eating or drinking, or intentional vomiting, swallowing water because of exaggerating while rinsing the mouth or nose during wudu. This type includes allowing food to reach the stomach by any means, such as taking injections that nourish the body. Intending to break the fast even if no one has eaten or drunk, or if you're reverting from Islam. If someone vomits, eats, or drinks accidentally, the fast will still be valid, but he must stop eating or drinking as soon as he remembers. Thanks for listening.